Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question. Write the following in exponent form. So we're just going to apply the laws of indices to manipulate what we have here. So the first thing that you'll see is the root sign. So remember, according to the laws of indices, the nth root of a number a is the same as that number raised to power 1 over n. So let us apply that to write the denominator. So we're going to have this to be equal to 1 over 7 raised power a third. And then we also use another law of indices that says that if you have a number 1 over a raised power n, then that is the same as a raised to negative power n. So it means therefore that we can rewrite this as 7 raised to the negative power a third. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe.